Okay, slip into my UGG slippers. They're so comfy, but so beat up. Since coming here in the Philippines, like how many months ago, just wear them everywhere. I know I shouldn't do that with like $100 slippers, but whatever. It is laundry day. I'm gonna show you what a Filipino laundry machine looks like. It's totally different than Americans. And that is a typical Filipino door and I don't know, wood. My nails are so nasty. I just got them done and I totally destroyed them already. But anyways, let's go downstairs. Oh my gosh. I better shut this off before I fall down. We're going downstairs. It's so loud. So loud. And the kitchen. You know what's fabulous? I even get a view of coconut trees and the ocean while I'm doing freaking laundry. So yeah, this is the typical. There's no dryer. Basically, like after you wash your clothes here, you do it a couple times. You have to like drain it, you know, then refill it. And then once that's over and done with, you can like throw it in here and it'll like spin dry. And it makes it pretty dry. You'd be surprised. It's like... I didn't know, but whatever. I'm learning, living here, this fabulous place. And that's where you hang your clothes to dry and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a view from my laundry room. You know, I'm not a fancy person. I like to do my own laundry. I like to do my own cooking. My parents are elderly, really old. And so the maids pretty much, and the private chef pretty much work for them. They did initially for me at first, but I was like, you know what? I grew up in America and there's absolutely no reason for me not to do my own laundry and not to do my own cooking. I get a view while doing it anyways. So anyways, after I drain it, this is what you call a drain, and it goes into out here, and you hear this thing called a toko, and it makes that sound, toko, toko, toko. Yeah, people say like, you know, coming to Mindanao, they're like scared. I don't know what's scary about this place because I've been here for 5 months and just realized that propaganda has lied to me. And Mindanao is a beautiful place. There's like a lot more freedom here than in the US actually. So yeah, well, I'm gonna make this my home 6 months out of the year for sure. 6 months back in fabulous Las Vegas. And fabulous beach, just jet set. Just be jet setter. I guess that's all. I mean, I don't really know what to say my job is, except that I'm trying to build a beach resort, but yeah, it's going slowly but surely. It's getting there. So let's figure out this massage chair together, guys. Girls, girlfriend. Yep, this is the music room, and there's air conditioning here, and you will hear chickens. Yes, we have a chicken coop. It's actually healthy for you to eat fresh eggs. That's one of the freedoms of being in the Philippines here. A lot of people have their own chicken coops. My legs are killing me. Okay, so anyways, I started like working out again yesterday after taking 3 weeks off. And all I have really here is just CrossFit stuff. So yeah, I mean, I just like killed my legs yesterday. So I need to massage. I haven't found a masseuse in this area yet. It's been like 2 weeks just looking for one in this little tiny beach town that we're at. And the craziest thing is like there's like a zillion beach resorts here. So I don't know why I'm having such a hard time finding a masseuse to be on call, you know, because I'm sure some of our Airbnb guests, referral guests that want to stay here at this fabulous beach resort would like to have a massage, especially when they're in such pain like me. I swear I walk like an old person. I am not kidding. Like I get up and I'm like, I walk so crazy like old person. Yeah, I think I kind of planned my future correctly. So being old in a warm place. Isn't that what they say? It's like, you know, if you're gonna work so hard in your life, anywhere and anything in show business, make sure you save up enough money so that you can die in a warm place. Yeah, but I don't want to die alone. I'm still single, so hasn't been easy for me. I've been single for 17 years, kind of set on my ways. So I don't know, like, that's the thing. There's just so much involved in relationships, and I haven't really had time. I just, like, my schedule, my life is so crazy. It's like I'm either working out, training, answering emails, doing stuff, like, I don't know, ordering things, going shopping, not shopping for like fun stuff. I mean, shopping for beddings, for hotel stuff, not hotel, hostel. I found out that that's the international term for dorm rooms. I grew up here in the Philippines off and on between US and here, graduated high school, a private high school here actually. That's why I have like no freaking accent, it's gone. I went to United States when I was only 6. So then only spending a year here as a teenager. Well, anyways, I'm gonna get back on this massage chair, lounger thing, because my legs are killing me, guys, and I have to give myself a massage. Yeah, talk to you later.